Right, so if you are currently mining the Auth wallet, we have a new code on Auth wallet right now, and this is this. So go straight to your Auth wallet account and you're going to see right here, say mission. So once you click on mission, right, you are going to see this particular update, which is the new video. And right now we are currently having about 14 video right now. You can see we have 14 videos that have been brought out from this platform, and almost everything have been done. Like everything has been done by me actually also. So if you are yet to get your own done, I have a link at the description of this particular video which leads to my Telegram. So I have the code right there. Just go ahead to join and you're going to be getting your code right. So for the code for today says, what is Auth protocol, right? So this is the code for today. So we are going to click on it, right? So click on the first one stating up right here. So you click on it. So the instruction for this particular code, it says in 80 seconds right here. So you're going to find the code word in 1 minute 02 seconds right here. So this has been made easy for us to actually check. So just click on watch video. So you need to watch the video to learn whatever the video is actually talking about. It is actually good to learn one or two from the video also, right? So you click on the video. So after watching this particular video and you are getting back to this, you are going to see submit password to get 0.1 auth, right? So you click on it right there. So once you click on it, right, so you're going to put on this side. So you need to input the code, right? So I'm going to put mine on capital letter right now. So the code is SIGN, right? So then you input submit. So once you input submit, it's actually going to load for a while. Then it's going to be showing if the code is currently correct or not. So now we got the code correctly, and good luck, we already have 0.1 auth. So keep mining and keep joining. Do not forget to give this video a thumb like.